Hi guys, I'm Roshan Nandurkar and you're watching my YouTube channel Java and Python Geek. If you're not subscribed my YouTube channel, so please click on the subscribe button guys and turn on the notification. So the next interview question, it may ask you when the final block skips its execution. When the final block will skip its execution. This question may ask you in the interview room guys. So let's have one example guys. So when this final block, okay, will skip its execution. So like final block is the very powerful block, okay. Final block is very powerful block, okay, in try and catch mechanism guys, okay, or in exception mechanism guys, okay. So finally block never skips its execution, okay, in any condition, okay, anyhow this finally block will get execute, okay, in your code guys, okay. So this final block, okay, will never stop its execution, okay. So if you try to return any value, okay, before final block or after final block, so still the final block will execute its code guys, okay. So but final block, okay, will skip its execution when we will shut down JVM, okay. When, okay, only and only at one condition will skip its execution, okay. When guys? So when we will shut down JVM, okay. So now let's see the one example guys. Like I write PSVM, okay, I write PSVM, and now suppose I said, okay, integer and is equals to, okay, and I am going to write m1 method, okay. M1 method will return value to this n guys, okay. Now then I will write m1 method at here, public static, because from static method, okay, I am calling this m1, so hence I need to write static method. I will say return type integer m1, okay. And now I will say new scanner, okay. And what we will say guys, system dot in, okay. And we will say scanner and s, okay. And we will say integer and is equals to, okay, or integer number is equals to, okay, s dot, what we will say guys, next int, okay, next int, okay. Now this no required to have integer value, this no required to have integer value guys, okay. So hence this, okay, input we need to type, okay, enter, we will say we need to type in integer form, okay. So what we will say guys, enter any, what we will say, integer number, enter any integer number, okay, enter any integer number. So we need to enter integer number, okay, we need to enter integer number. So now for that we will say, what we will say guys, okay, what we will say, try, okay, try. And then after, what we will say, catch, okay. Which exception we may get, input mismatch exception, input mismatch exception we may get at here, okay. And now we will say s out, what we will say, ex, what we will say, ex, okay. But if somebody enter proper integer value, so we would like to pass this number in return no, okay. That no, okay, that no, okay, will receive into this n, okay. And then after we can say s out, okay, we can say, okay, square, okay, is equals to, what we will say, okay, n into n, okay. But when this n into n will get, okay, will give results. So if this n will receive integer value, okay. Now you can see guys, so in try block we write this code, okay, and this code going to return number value. But okay, but if exception comes, okay, so now before coming exception, okay, if exception comes, so I said return no, okay. If exception not comes, I said return no, okay. So now, but before returning this no, this final block, okay, will get executed. So we can say finally, okay, okay, finally block, okay. Or we can say still we can execute, still, okay, I can execute, still I can execute, still I can execute, okay. And now from this catch block, I need to say return 0. Okay, return 0. So now, okay, if exception comes or not comes, so still this final block will get executed, guys. So now we can try this. Okay, enter any integer number. Enter any integer number. Suppose I said 10. So now you can see, guys, still I can execute. Okay, square is equals to 100. Now if I run this, okay, and suppose I enter, okay, input mismatch, okay, 10.5, because 10.5, okay, NO cannot receive because the type of NO is integer, and 10.5, and I said, okay, now you can see it's input mismatch exception because control coming to this, okay, catch block. So hence we are getting this input mismatch exception. Okay, and from there we are also returning 0. We are also returning 0, but before returning 0, once again finally block getting execute, guys. So it means final block will execute its code at any condition, at any cost. Okay, okay, if exception comes or not comes, guys. Okay, even we return any value, or even we return the control from any method. Okay, so still that final block, still it's a final block will get execute, guys. Okay, it means final block execute, okay, at any condition, at any cost, guys. Okay, but okay, but we can skip final block execution. Okay, we can say system dot exit. Okay, so now the system dot exit will shut down JVM, will shut down JVM. Okay, I will say JVM please shut down. Okay, now run file. Okay, now if control will come to the catch block, so now then final block will skip its execution only. Okay, only at this condition final block will skip its execution. Like suppose we write 10.5, 10.5, okay, will be the input mismatch exception for this try block. Okay, so now enter. Okay, now you can see guys, just 10.5. Okay, and or we can write, okay, even we can write this system dot exit at here. Now run file 10.5. Okay, now you can see guys, input mismatch exception, and before returning 0, okay, we are saying system dot exit, guys. So only at this condition, okay, final block will skip its execution. Okay, because this statement going to return, okay, going to shut down JVM, guys. Okay, got it, guys. So now this is all about final block. Okay, final block will get executed at any condition, at any cost. Okay, so if we shut down JVM, okay, only at that condition final block will skip its execution, guys. Okay, thanks for watching. Okay, if you found this video helpful, so don't forget to click on like and share to your friends, guys, and keep learning, keep coding, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Until then, happy coding, guys. Thank you.